This is Code.org, and this is Investigate and Modify. Run the program, what do you notice? Don't have to tell me twice. Ooh, a house! Oh, okay. Cool. Like, actually cool. Oh, and I hear birds. Okay, let's see what's going on here, guys. Let me just shrink this. By the way, they call this the theater background. That's what they call it. I'm going to disappear that for a sec. The draw rectangle uses width of, the theater. Okay, oh, there it is. Draw rectangle. The width of the theater and 50 for the height of the rectangle. After line 14, print the width of the theater by printing the value returned from the call myscene.width. Okay, so what they're saying here is we're passing some arguments. 0, 350, the width of the screen apparently, and 50 is the height. So they want us to print out whatever myscreen.getWidth is. So I'll do a print ln so it goes to a new line. Let's check this out. Oh, 400. Okay. Ooh, birds. Okay, so the whole width of this is 400. Interesting. The draw image method has parameters. Draw image, draw ellipse, draw image. File name. Oh, we're using, that's the picture. Cool. And then the x coordinate. So what they're getting at here, guys, is there's going to be a quote unquote invisible XY chart down behind this. Notice how I'm hovering right now and it says X and Y next to my mouse. That's because that's the invisible graph, like in math, behind this. And so they must be using X and Y to select the location for the image. Oh, and this is the pixels in size. So 200X would be, and 150Y. So the house is probably going to be somewhere up here. And I think it's the top left corner. Okay, so what do they want us to do? Use the manage assets button. Ooh, we could add our own picture. Okay, I usually prefer to, I'm going to use free hyphen images. Yes. All right. And I'm just going to do cow because cows are cool. And there's so many great cow pictures. I'm going to, no, I need this one. And I'm just going to do small will be sufficient. Download. And so cow, animal, great. So I'm going to close this. Now, if your name for your file is super long here, you might want to attempt to edit that. Thankfully, mine's more manageable. I'm going to click Manage Assets, and I'm going to upload my file. And, well, there mine is. So at this point, if you wanted to edit this, I could right-click or command-click or control-click and do rename if I wanted a shorter name. Like cow, I don't know, being weird. Boom. Okay. I'll stick with that and do. Okay. You don't have to rename it though, not required. All right, we got my cow. And I bet what we get to do now. Oh yeah, now I get to display it. So to display it, guys, I have to change this over to my file, cow.jpg. Notice how this is house.png. So I need to make sure to change cow, and it's not a PNG, JPG. Get rid of that guy. Let's see if my cow shows up. It's beautiful. That's kind of fun. It still does birds though. Cool. I'm excited to see what we do with this. Onward.